In this quick video, I want to show you how you can use Ahrefs with KeyClusters to generate topical keyword groups that you can target with your content strategy. Let's jump in. So here we are in Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, and let's assume that we're an affiliate marketer and we want to build out some content in the niche for kayaks. So we would type in potentially kayak and kayaks into Keywords Explorer, run a quick analysis. Ahrefs will return the results on that for those two phrases. But we're interested in the matching terms on the left-hand side here. And you can imagine there's potentially thousands, tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of keywords related to kayaks and kayaks. Yeah, there's 519,000 potential keywords, which is obviously far too many to analyze manually. But we know this is an affiliate marketer and they would be interested in commercial intent keywords. So you can use this modifier called include and say any word, and let's put in best. So that's going to return all keywords that have best, kayak or kayaks in them, and hopefully that reduces the list quite significantly. And includes any commercial keywords. Yeah, so we're down to 15,500 keywords, and you can see you're getting a lot of these affiliate type content keywords. So best inflatable kayaks, fishing kayaks, best kayaks for beginners, best places to kayaks, more informational, but most of it's looking like products, which is exactly what we want. Again, it would take you a very long time to manually analyze that. I don't even know how you would do it manually. So you could use a clustering tool, but you're going to use quite a lot of resources on 15,000 keywords. So you could bring this down a little bit further and potentially say, look, only show me keywords that have a search volume of 20 or more. And this should hopefully modify the list down to a sensible number. Yeah, 1,657 keywords. So that's good. Happy with that. So we're going to export that list. We're going to choose all rows, and we need this in a CSV file format, so this UTF-16 is the correct format, and export that down. Okay, next thing is go across to KeyClusters. As you can see, I've actually just run the analysis here, so I'll show you that in 1 second, but this is how you would upload your Ahrefs file into KeyClusters. So you hit new, you come across to the data source. The data source in this case is Ahrefs. You put in a title, whatever you want to call it, and then upload the file. So here's the file, kayaks. Importantly, you can choose where you want to geolocate the SERP analysis. So obviously the SERP results are different in every single geography. So it defaults to the United States, but if you're specifically targeting the UK, you might set it to the United Kingdom or whatever country you want to set it to. Every single country is there. And as we know, the SERP results are different by device as well. So desktop versus mobile. So you can run it on any device as well. So once you've done that, you would launch the job, and I'm not going to do that obviously because I've already run the analysis. It will take a few minutes to do the analysis, and let me show you what it looks like. So here's the download file from KeyClusters, and what you're going to see is 4 columns. Column 1 is the primary keyword for that cluster. Column 2 is the aggregated volume of the primary keyword and all of its keyword variations, which sit in column D. And the keyword difficulty is the keyword difficulty of the primary keyword. So every single line here is a potential article, and as you can see, they are all unique ideas, and in the variations are all of the potential keywords that you could rank the same page for. So obviously best fishing kayaks, best fishing kayak, best fishing kayaks 2021, best kayaks for fishing, and so on. So that seems to have clustered perfectly, and then you go to the next one. So essentially you've done your entire topical research all the way down. You know, we put in 1,600 keywords, all the way down has clustered it, and you've got 400 or 350 topic ideas that you could write on and interlink them in an intelligent way. So that's KeyClusters in a snapshot and how you use Ahrefs with it. Any questions, just reach out to us at support@keyclusters.com. Thanks.